Bringing back to you another mocktail. So for my mocktail, I have peach juice, pineapple juice, and a coconut blend juice. And then maraschino cherries. So what you do is you put the cherry syrup in the bottom of the glass. You can put your ice in it first if you want to. I just did. And then what you do is you pour your juices in the and however much you want of each. However much you want of each juice. Okay, I had to shake up the pineapple juice. And my peach juice. And I'm gonna stir it up. I just want to show you what it looks like before I stir it up. Let me stir it up and see how it tastes. And if you want to add a cherry on top to top it off, you can. I'm not going to do all of that. I stirred it up to see what more I need in it. Let me taste it. And it's perfect. I just wish I had a little bit more ice. So there you go. You can add some liquor to it if you want to. Any kind you think that would go well with it. I'm not having any. These are the 4 ingredients with some ice. Peace. Give me that thumbs up.